Had plans to spend the day outside, maybe mow the yard, catch some moles, chop some trees, maybe just sit on the back porch and enjoy the Saturday. But Mother Nature had other plans. So when the rain changes the plans, you adapt. Today's mission became a Mississippi pot roast. Hey everyone, Regular Joe here. We've got some indoor stuff to do today. It's raining outside, so can't get any of our outdoor activities taken care of today. So we're going to do a little cooking today, Regular Joe way. We are going to make some pot roast, some Western pot roast. Delicious. I like this. It's a slow cooker that we will put it into our Ninja Crockpot that we have here. I got not too long ago. It's really nice. And we will start out with about 4 pounds of chuck roast, which I've already got ready here. Got some of the Kinder seasoning, so I patted this off dry after I opened it up, rubbed it in really good, and that way we have all the seasoning that we need on it. We have 2 of these. I kind of like doing that instead of one large one because it's a little bit smaller, easier to handle. Just thinks that it cooks a little bit better. So I've got the cast iron skillet on over here, ready to go, and we're going to sear these for about 2 minutes each side, and then we will get it into the crock pot. We also have carrots that we're going to put into our pot roast today. We're going to do some potatoes. I'm going to slice those up, stick of butter. We've got some au jus and some ranch seasoning. That's what I like to put in my pot roast, and we're gonna have a great dinner this evening when we get it all ready. So let's get over here, get the cast iron skillet oiled up and ready to go, and go from there. Here we go. We're gonna get this oil in here. It is hot. Sure. Don't burn your hands, obviously. Borrow these from my wife, so don't let her know I'm using her stuff here in the kitchen. She's out of town visiting family, so we just won't tell her that what we're doing here. Here we go. Alexa, set a timer for 2 minutes. Alright, we got the second piece of meat in, going for its last side of its sear. So now we're going to cut some potatoes up. We're going to dice these up into quarters where they cook nice and soft. So we just easily cook them up. Try not to cut your hands off, but I like using these little red potatoes. I get everything at Walmart. We live in a small area outside Tulsa, so we don't have any good grocery stores like Texas and H-E-B or Kroger or stuff like that. So you got to do what you got to do with what you got. So here we go. Cut all these up. Get them ready. I bought the baby carrots as well, so we won't have to cut any of those up. It makes it a lot easier when you don't have to do stuff like that. So it's a great meal. I always enjoyed this. My mom used to make pot roast. It wasn't very good when I was growing up, but learned some new recipes. Hope my mom's not watching this or will never watch this, so don't tell her I said that. So love doing this sort of stuff. Like I said, I love cooking, all sorts of stuff. Just something I've always enjoyed when I was a kid, and now I've gotten a little older, and I just figured that I should give this a try. You know, film what I'm doing, what I like doing, and share it with everyone out there. So hopefully you guys will like it like I asked and said, and maybe we'll grow this into something. Here we go, almost done with the potatoes. Alexa, turn off. Alright, Alexa says we're done. We got these ready to just cool off. There you go. Get this off of here. There you go. And here is our seared meat that we will put in the crock pot. I'm gonna put it on low setting here, so get it ready to rock and roll. Start button. 6 hours. We'll get our meat. Stick it in there first, and it is tender already. Get that into the pot there. 1 and 2. And then what I will do is get a stick of butter. I'm going to put the entire stick of butter in here. Everything that has butter on it tastes better, in my opinion. We will get our au jus, rich and savory, whatever you want to call it. I'm not French, so I'm not sure how that says, how you say it. So we will sprinkle that on all over here. We will get our ranch, Hidden Valley. Not sure where it's at because it's hidden. But we will sprinkle that on as well, just like that. Open up a bag of carrots. Those in there. We will put our potatoes in there next. There we go. We can give Colton a potato because Colton likes potatoes. To give a little moisture. Just to give a little moisture. Lid is on it. Lid is on it. Hours from now, we're going to be eating, so see you then. Then it's time to let patience work. Sometimes slowing down isn't a bad thing. We spend so much time chasing the next thing that we forget to enjoy where we're at. Now, 6 hours later, we're ready. Alright, getting super close to being done with the Mississippi pot roast. We have just turned the timer off. It is right here, ready and waiting for us. So, as you can see, super awesome. Let it cool down a little bit, but we're going to make our side dish, which is going to be some egg noodles. Totally delicious. So got the water setting for boiling right now, and we'll get that going, and we are almost there. No adventure, no big trip, just a rainy day, pot roast, and time with people that matter the most. And honestly, that's a pretty good day. The girls should be home soon, and so dinner will be ready for them. All right, we are all done. I am looking very forward to this. It's going to be unbelievably delicious, I believe. So first of all, we're going to get a big bowl of noodles here that we just got done. Egg noodles for our base. layer here. So let's go over here and we'll take the lid off the crock pot here. See what we can find. Man, this thing looks good. It is very tender. Piece there. Let's get us some potatoes, carrots. All right, 6 hours later, let's see what we got. That's really good. I'm about done myself today. Remember, every day doesn't have to be extraordinary to be a blessing. Thanks for watching, and God bless. We'll see you on the next one.